Hi, this is my response for reflection 5 of my education class. Um, and I chose the question of inclusivity. I think my definition of inclusivity would be, well, everybody who's here gets the same or better treatment depending on, you know, it's like somebody who can't reach as high will get a few stepping stools, where the other person will probably be twice as high so they can see over the fence. That's essentially what I count as inclusivity. Everybody gets in, but will probably get the same amount of support or more support depending. But inclusivity that I can do right now would be, regardless of disability or how they look or how they sound, I can get to know them so that in the future I will know how to understand the students who are in a very similar area. Like, I grew up with a little sister who has fetal alcohol syndrome. She's got autism. She's got kind of a cocktail of unfortunate disabilities. I have got ADHD and a few other things, but apparently it's not as noticeable. But I think it's important, especially for people with disabilities, to be recognized as a person, not as a disability or a person with that disability, but themselves, because it's important that you don't negate who that person is, but also are aware, this person might not be able to do this, but if they really want to try, they can. It's also important that I practice more patience when it comes to people who get frustrated easy or who struggle with words. I most definitely struggle with words, and I can get frustrated when people don't understand what I'm trying to say. Like, I'll try to say one thing, people will take it as another and be like, that was rude. And I was like, it wasn't meant to be rude. I was trying to be honest, but if honest is being rude, that makes it very difficult. Inclusivity is, regardless of who the person is, they will be treated equally and fairly with kindness. That's what's important. I think in the future, if I learn more about each person and what they have to deal with on a daily basis, I think it'll be easier for me as a teacher to support the students and families of those people who have disabilities or who are, relatively typical or normal, I guess. Although both of those are kind of concept of words. But what's important is that everybody gets the support they need to do their best. And that comes with practice, patience, kindness, and if the person needs a boost or is like struggling, give them the boost and support they would need. That's that's my idea of it.